Well, in other news today, a huge win for rural states like Montana and Wyoming was seen this month. The U.S. House passed a resolution that would repeal the Bureau of Land Management's Planning 2.0 rule. The new rule was a massive overreach by the federal government by taking away valuable local input on public land issues. Wyoming Congresswoman Liz Cheney sponsored the resolution.
Was a rule put in place, finalized at the very end of the Obama administration, that would have gone even farther than they already had in the last 8 years in centralizing control and authority over decisions about how to manage our public lands in Washington. And it was, even taking authority away from local BLM offices, but most important was it just would absolutely have diluted the input and the voice that our county commissioners had and that our other stakeholders had. I firmly believe that, a rancher who's trying to graze on public lands should be viewed as a different kind of a stakeholder than, a foreign environmentalist. And the BLM Planning 2.0 would have created a situation where there was no distinction made. And it really was a very bad rule, a rule that was going to do significant economic damage, as you pointed out, across the board, both to our ag industry as well as our energy industry.
The resolution is now waiting on the U.S. Senate's vote. It will then go to the president's desk for repeal. Don't go away. We'll have the markets after these messages.